Hey guys, welcome to Money Farming YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you guys through how to install Freqtrade, latest version of Freqtrade, and also uh, after that, I'll be teaching you how to implement a simple, well effective uh, trading system. And so, without further ado, let's get started. So, what we should do first is that we should go to the Freqtrade.io website, and from that uh, go to the installation. And I'm using Linux, so I'll go to the Linux. If you're in the Windows platform, then you can also go to the Windows and just follow the simple steps. It's very simple, very similar to Linux as well. Okay. So first we're gonna do this. Okay, so let's do that. Then we can go to the next step and install some basic Python packages, development packages here. Okay, so everything is up to date. Now we can go ahead and clone the GitHub repository of Freqtrade. Let's clone it on this directory. Okay, and after that, what are the steps? We can go to the Freqtrade directory and check out the stable version, and then we can install it. I would highly recommend that we should use develop, or let's just use stable for now because we don't want any breaking changes. So right, so okay, it's cloned now. Now let's see where we are. We are um let's go to the Freqtrade first. We are in the develop branch, so let's check out the stable one. Okay, now it says stable right here. Yes, now let's just go ahead and install. Okay, we can run this script, right? Setup.shi, and then we can wait for the installation to complete. Okay, so guys, now it's asking about if you want to install dependencies for development as well. So I would suggest that for a beginner user, let's not install all the packages. So I'm just gonna select no. We do want Plotly. Okay, so I'm typing yes. We do want HyperOpt as well. We don't want dependency for Freak AI right now, but in the future, we are indeed going to learn about Freak AI. So it's installing the uh, all the dependencies. Right, guys, it's installing Freak UI now. So our installation has done. So now let's just quickly check the Freqtrade version so that we know that. Okay, let's first change the uh, activate the environment, and we can go .env bin activate, and then we can run this code. Okay, and we can check the version as well, and we can see it's the latest version 2023.7, right? So we are good to go. And let me just do run some command, and I'll explain it to you later that what it means. Okay, so basically what we want is that we want the data, and like candlestick data. All right, and we want to create a structured directory which Freqtrade uses. Okay, so um let me just um remove the strategies folder. and let me create a new strategy. Okay, new strategy. Let's ask the Freqtrade. Okay. Yeah. So there's this new strategy command. We can ask for help to Freqtrade, and it will show us that we need user directory and strategy name and template. So let's run it. New strategy, user directory. We want to use the current directory, and strategy name is we. I'll show you what it means. Let me just write it down, and then we want to use the full template. Okay, advanced one. Okay, let's see. Actually, in the next video we are going to implement this trading system. Okay, so that's the strategy name. I forgot to put one hyphen there, so let's go ahead. So it created this strategy, and see, it also created this structures, right, where it's going to store the data, freak AI model, right, notebooks, plots, strategies. So now let's create a directory called config, and where we will be putting our config file, right? So let's go ahead and ask Freqtrade, is there a help for creating config file? And we can also go ahead, go to the documentation, and like start with the basics. Okay, it will tell you the same structure. uh, okay, so let's go ahead and create new config. Okay, and all we can do with this as well, create user directory, but I'm going step by step. Okay, so new config, we want the config name to be EMA3 trading system config.json. Okay, and this is config name, and we want it in config directory. Okay, so let's see if it's creating the config file or not. So yes, we do want the simulated trade. Let's keep it USDT, the stake currency. Okay, okay. We want to override in configuration. Okay, and let's choose the time frame to be 1 hour. Let's display the currency to be USD. We want to use Binance. Do you want to trade perpetual swap? Yes, we do want to trade futures contract. We do want to enable Telegram as well. Well, let's just put some Telegram token random, random ID. And do you want to enable the REST API? Yes, we do want to enable REST API. Freqtrade server, we can call it money farming, and password is the same. Okay, and it created the see, it created the config file here. Okay, all this config file, we can see what we have instructed it to do. Now in the next video, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna be creating a strategy, a trading system, which I call the EMA3 trading system. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and please like and subscribe, and follow for more videos. Okay, thank you.